Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share about Keurig K-Duo single-serve K-Cup pod and Carafe coffee maker, black. Details: product. Use both ground coffee and K-Cup pods. Compatible with Keurig Gold Tone mesh filter accessory. A reusable coffee filter you can use to brew your perfect carafe, sold separately. Energy efficient. Auto-off feature for both your brewer and your heating plate. Turns your brewer off 5 minutes after the last single cup brew. Turns your heating plate off 2 hours after the last carafe brew. The 60 ounces. Water reservoir is shared between the single-serve and carafe brewing, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. Removable reservoir makes refilling easy. Included with your brewer along with a heating plate to keep coffee hot. Program your coffee maker to automatically brew a carafe up to 24 hours in advance. Automatically pauses your coffee maker mid-brew for 20 seconds, allowing the carafe to be poured. Thanks for watching my video. Get best price and discount about this product by link in description. See you.